In this lesson, we will review dividing decimals. To begin, we write the given quotient in long division form as 2 and 1600ths divided by 12 thousandths. When dividing decimals, we need the divisor to be a whole number, not a decimal. Notice to make 12 thousandths a whole number, we need to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places to the right, which is equivalent to multiplying by 1,000. And we can do this as long as we do the same to the dividend. Moving to the dividend, we move the decimal point 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. Replace any missing digits with 0, meaning we place a 0 next to the 6. This quotient is equivalent to the original quotient because we multiplied both the divisor and the dividend by 1,000. Let's go ahead and rewrite this quotient as simply 2,160, where the decimal point is now to the right of the 0, divided by 12, where the decimal point is to the right of the 2. And before we start dividing, just in case it's needed, let's move the decimal point of the dividend up into the quotient. And now we divide like we normally do. We begin by determining how many 12s there are in 21, which is 1. We place a 1 in the quotient and then multiply by the divisor. 1 times 12 is 12. We place a 12 below the 21 and subtract. 21 minus 12 is 9. Now I bring down the next digit in the dividend, which is the 6, and repeat the process. We now determine how many 12s there are in 96, which is 8. We place an 8 in the quotient and multiply 8 in the divisor. 8 times 12 is 96. We place this below the 96 and subtract. Notice here the difference is 0. And now I bring down the last digit in the dividend, which is the 0. And we repeat the process. We determine how many 12s there are in 0, which is 0. And we multiply 0 by the divisor. 0 times 12 is 0. And we subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. This last 0 indicates there is no remainder, and therefore we can go ahead and stop. And we know this quotient, as well as the original quotient, is 180. Meaning 2 and 1600ths divided by 12 thousandths equals 180. Remember, if we did have a remainder here in the last step of the quotient, we would place a 0 to the right of the decimal point in the dividend, bring it down, and repeat the process. I hope you found this helpful.